Everybody, today it's me, Buddy Yourself. Da 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 da. Okay, I'm bad at editing, so I don't know a song I could post, and I don't know how to post songs. I'm sad. Okay, so what we basically got is all my gaming stuff. So let me get me a tour. You might not see me, and yeah, just put that out there. Then we are ready. Let's go. Let's first start off with my gaming set. Oh, I forgot to turn off the TV. There we go. Dang it. Magic. Okay, so here's my Xbox. Here's the mess down here. There's my Xbox controller. Just grab that. Just put it right here. Ignore the underwear. We don't need that out here. Get away. Okay, so yeah, we got some 3DSs down here. Xbox, our Xbox, TV remotes, Alexa. Dang, I didn't ask you anything. So stop it, Alexa. Stop it. Get some help. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Now, let's go over here. Da, 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 da. As you don't know probably. Well, you might know from my profile picture. I love Batman. So, there's some Batman person that has some wings on his back. Darth Vader's probably trying to assassinate him. Okay. There's my Batman piggy bank. Batman. There's the White House, and I forget what that was. It is. I don't know if you guys can read that. Post it in the comments. I don't care. And there's a London set, Chicago set, all made out of Legos. And of course, the Eiffel Tower. What's this? It's the Batmobile. I forgot about that. Well, I didn't forget about it because I was just trying to make it for a video. There's something. Is it from How You Train Your Dragons? I don't care. And there's a chest and a trophy for football. I got that when I was 4 because I jumped in and I didn't give a crap. Okay, so let's move down here. My future car, a sailboat, some bobbleheads. Captain America looked like he just got beat up from Han Solo. This girl looks like she's and I forget her name. And there's a Batman who looks like he's about to assassinate CP3O. Did I say that right? And there is looks like a football figure. And there's Creeper. It's a fake spider, okay? See, fake spider. And she been here about you. If you saw that moment when it came off, like the spider, and I accidentally pressed the unrecord button, but here's a spider up close. So let's now continue. Yay! Mr. Alligator. You might have seen that in my first video. You might have seen that in my hands. Yeah, I think you did. Here's all my extra stuff. And here's my bed where I sleep or sit down. Be on both. Sit down, okay. And there's a big post of Pokemon. I used to like Pokemon back then. Oh, and also post in the comments, what is your favorite Pokemon? There's some pillows, polar bear, soft blanket, Mr. Sneaky. Here's some pictures of me when I was little. There's me when I was 1st grade. There's me and my cousin. There's me and my dad. And WWE 2K18, I don't care. And other stuff. Minecraft. And yeah. That's basically all. That's pretty good. There's a toy box that I made. With a person that looked like a kidnapped in the box. That would be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Let's Play. Not a Let's Play. Oh, stupid. Well, what was I gonna say again? Dang it. Let's just go over again. I'll think of it.
Hour later.
For the daily vlog. Thank you for enjoying, and I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like. And I'll see you in the next video. Da, 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 da.